how to transfer your information to Dropbox on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information to Dropbox on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the three lines here in the top corner, and now go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down here until you find transfer a copy of your information, and now just click next and then click Dropbox and manage here anything you want, uh, then click next, and now all you need to do is just connect Dropbox with your Facebook, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.